Hey collectors, welcome back! Finally, Hotwheels has released the all-new upcoming Pagani Utopia. Will be soon in 2024 Hotwheels mainline. In an amazing white pearl paint job with a 10-spoke chrome wheels and red interior. One of the beautiful car made by Hotwheels. The all-new Hot Wheels 2021 Pagani Huayra will be available on 2nd May for Red Line Club members and will be packed in an acrylic case. Features opening rear engine hood. Unveiled tonight, coming to Hot Wheels Premium in 2025. The RevSect Project 935 x Porsche 935 styled art car and collab project. Originally built in Sweden in the early 1990s as a 935 street car by Porsche rallycross builder. The car took a new turn when Rod Chong acquired the in 2014 at a Gatebil event in Sweden. After making its way to the UK in 2015, it crossed the Atlantic to the US in 2018. The car underwent an extensive modernization process thanks to the skilled hands of Bisimoto and the imagination of a race service crew in Los Angeles. The new look of a 935X will also be on display at Air_Water on Saturday. Expect the Hot Wheels to drop in early 2025. The all-new upcoming mystery model by Hot Wheels has an Audi Quattro. Now let's check out a sneak peek of a new upcoming car culture Japan Historics 4. So our first car is a 1972 Toyota Corolla 11. A Mazda RX-3. A 1973 Honda Civic Custom. A Nissan Fairlady Z. A 1964 Prince Skyline GT. And the chase car for a Japan Historics 4, a 1964 Prince Skyline GT. So check out the sneak peek of this Japan Historics 4 card set. Now let's check out new upcoming car culture modern classics. So our first car is a Nissan SIL 80. A 2024 Subaru Forester STI. A Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Pandem. And the chase car for modern classics is a Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Pandem. Now let's check out new upcoming car culture team transport set. So our first set, a Eurohauler and a 1994 Nissan 300ZX GTS. A Fleet Street and a Toyota off-road truck. A 2018 Toyota 4Runner and a 1989 Toyota Supra. Now let's check out some super premium models. Flame Models presents a Volkswagen T1 Combi wide body. Color of the vans are Hello Kitty red, Hello Kitty White, Pink Panther, and a Shark ST02. Limited up to 499 each color. Made from diecast. Releasing on May 2024. So check out a sneak peek of this complete lineups. A Focal Horizon X Model 1 presents a Lexus LFA. Color of the cars are white and black. Limited up to 999 each color. Made from diecast. Releasing on July 2024. It features an opening front engine hood. A Street Warrior Models presents a Porsche Cayenne Turbo S 957. Color of the cars are black, silver and yellow. Limited up to 499 each color. Made from diecast. Releasing on June 2024. So check out a sneak peek of these cars. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you on next video. Till then, stay tuned.